So, saan nga ba kami pupunta? So, nag-book kami ng dinner cruise sa SeaWorld. So, malapit lang din yun dito. Siguro mga 15 minutes kahit mag-public transport kayo. Aabot kayo. So, ang aming dinner cruise will start at 7 p.m. Pero dapat around 6:30 p.m. nandun na kayo sa terminal.
Kasi boarding na yung 6:30.
Yep. And syempre para makakita tayo ng magandang place. Para makapasok tayo ng magandang place. So, ayun guys. So, nag-all black kami. Tapos nag-coat lang kami. Kasi kapag gabi dito sa Gold Coast, medyo malamig din. So, ka-coat-coat naman yung weather. Pero kapag may araw, halimbawa sa umaga hanggang tanghali, kapag nag-coat ka, tatagagtak yung pawis mo as in. So, ayan guys. Samahan nyo kami na i-celebrate ang aming second wedding anniversary sa dinner cruise ng SeaWorld dito sa Gold Coast. So, ayan guys. Ito nga pala yung outfit natin. So, the dress is from Shein. The sandals or heels is from Shein. Ayan, Shein din yan. Then, of course, ang ating bida, ang ating coat. So, ito naman, galing sa Op Shop. And, branded yan guys ha. Review ang tatak niyan.
Pero galing okay siya. Okay lang naman.
Yeah, review yung tatak niya. So, branded siya dito sa Australia. Pero, we only spent $25 for this coat. Look at that! Parang tinahe for me, kahit iganyan ko. O, diba? Hindi marunong. First coat ko kasi to eh. So, ayan. Kahit iganyan mo siya, mukha na siyang dress sa akin. Diba? So, ayan yung outfit natin. So, pasok it, Chad. What's yours?
Ito naman ang aking... Ito naman ang aking outfit check, guys. So, aking turtleneck from Uniqlo. Parang sa Pinas pa to, no?
Yep.
Sa Pinas pa natin binili. Then, yung pants ko, Uniqlo din. Then, yung sapatos ko ay... Yung sapatos ko naman ay... New Balance. New Balance...
1906R.
1906R. Oh. Bake yung... Bake...
Bake mo.
Bake yun mo. At saka yung coat. Regalo to sa akin ni Aika. At saka yung shoes ko. Regalo din sa akin. At saka ito. Bagong regalo. Nabuhay talaga ako sa regalo, guys. Puro regalo. Kaya love na love ko ito eh.
So, yan yung aming outfit for tonight sa aming dinner cruise. Hindi naman kailangan formal. Actually, hindi naman siya formal na formal. Sakto lang. So, magko-commute tayo ng ganitong outfit. Walang pakialaman. Ayan guys, let's go! Okay guys, so it's 6:45 p.m. Medyo late kami kasi nawala yung direction namin kanina. Naiwan kami ng bus. Kaya kailangan namin mag-Uber. So, we spent extra $15 for that. Pero, it's okay. Kasi, kung hindi kami aabot dito sa SeaWorld Cruise. So, ayan o. Makikita nyo yung entrance nila. That's the entry point. Kitang-kita nyo naman, SeaWorld Cruises. So, we just booked our dinner here. And, the duration is 2.5 hours. Let's enjoy it! Water so clear. Going to enter now. So I think sa gitna na tayo magpupunta.
I think so. Na nga, umabot pa din.
I can smell the seafoods.
Yeah. Honey.
It's a bit hot inside. But it's cold outside. Akira, A-G-I-R-A. So, nandito na kami sa loob. Ito yung starter nila.
Bonete.
Bread and butter. So, ayan. mamaya papakita namin sa inyo kung ano meron sa buffet. So, may marinig din kayo na kanta. Meron din kasi ditong live band. Not a band. Live music. Like something
Acoustic.
like that. Yeah, acoustic one. So, we're going to start with the bread and butter.
I made it for her.
May kasalanan kasi.
Next one. Oh. Isa lang at baka ma-allergy.
This one's called. I think you will like this one.
Me too. Oh, good.
That's enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Want this as well?
Yep. That's enough.
That's enough?
Yep, that's enough.
You want this one?
Later. Yep.
Want rice?
Yep. A bit.
Just a bit?
Yep. That's it. Ewan lang. One more. What's that? Barramundi. Oh yeah.
If you can fit it there, you can get
Can I get sauce?
Yan muna kinuha namin guys. So some breads, Italian pasta, some raw prawns, potato, what's this? It's chicken, lemon sauce chicken, and some rice, and coleslaw as well. Siya, kumuha siya ng lamb. I don't eat lamb. Siya nakain siya. So, ayan guys. Pwede ka pang bumalik doon. Siyempre, buffet ito, only. While eating, this will be your view. Ayan. City view. Napakaganda. Napaka-romantic pati kasi may sounds, may music. that's our experience here sa dinner cruise ng SeaWorld. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. Rate ko siya ng 9 out of 10.
Yeah. So the foods are good.
Kasi hindi ako masyado
Then
sa
you really can spend time together.
Hindi kasi ako masyado sa seafood kaya hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy.
Best siya for family, friends, and especially couple. We only paid $119 per head here.
Yeah.
So, ano na yan, included lahat. Maliban na lang sa transportation, papunta and pauwi.
And your drinks pati.
Yeah, your drinks. Pero nagdala kami water kasi hindi naman kami mahilig sa mga alcoholic drinks.
Ooh, there are fish. Thank you. There's a lot of fish.
If you want to buy some souvenirs, magpapaalala sa inyo about SeaWorld, ayan, meron din sila dyan. Ayan, marami din silang flyers dyan. For free, pwede kayong kumuha para makita nyo kung ano yung mga activities na ina-offer nila dito. So, for now, we're going home. So, yeah. That's our experience here sa SeaWorld Cruise or SeaWorld Dinner Cruise dito sa Gold Coast.
Mga 9:24, mga 8 minutes. Dadating na yung bus.
So, magpa-public transport pa rin tayo. Kasi hindi naman ganun kahirap mag-public transport kahit ganito yung suot ko, kahit naka-heels ako. Hindi mahirap, guys. Lalo yung mga sanay sa heels. Ako nga, hindi ako sanay sa heels. Pero syempre, dahan-dahan lang maglakad. Ang sakit kaya sa paa. So, ayun guys. We enjoyed it so much. Sulit yung binayad namin na $119 each. Kasi may mga main meal, salads, desserts din.
May seafoods, may lamb, may
Yeah.
chicken. Walang pork, no?
Coke, yeah.
May fish. Hindi lang ako masyadong nag-enjoy sa seafood kasi baka ma-allergy pa ako.
Kaya nga. Pero okay lang, masarap din yung mga foods, yayamanin foods. So that's all for today. So this is just our second day here at the Gold Coast. So ito yung ginawa namin tonight for our second wedding anniversary. So maraming salamat sa pagsamang mag-celebrate sa amin na aming second anniversary dito sa Gold Coast. Sana wag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa amin. And don't forget to like,
share, and
subscribe.
subscribe!
Have a good night, everyone!